Welcome to Trex Academy, where you can learn everything you need to know about building your deck project. In this video, we'll show you how to install Trex Enhance steel post. The Trex Enhance steel post can be used in end, line, and corner applications with Trex steel panel railing. The tools required for proper installation include minimum 18-volt drill, 9/16" drill bit for wood, tape measure, level, 3/4" wrench or socket, blocking, minimum 2x8 pressure-treated southern yellow pine or equivalent, 3-inch pressure-treated compatible wood screws, 36 units per post. Required hardware per post that is not provided. 4 1/2-inch No. 13 x 6-inch galvanized steel hex bolts, 4 1/2-inch inside diameter, 1 3/8" outside diameter galvanized steel flat washers, 4 1/2-inch No. 13 galvanized steel hex nuts. The Trex Enhance steel post comes blank with no brackets installed or in end, line, and corner configurations with all brackets pre-installed. Each post also comes with matching skirt and post cap. For a corner post installation, first install a 2x8 cross bracing frame in between joists at 7 1/4 inches. Attach a total of 12 3-inch pressure-treated compatible screws. Next, you will install 2 boards as blocking under each corner post location. Securely attach blocking using a total of 24 3-inch pressure-treated compatible screws. Please refer to Installation Guide for all blocking details. Once all your post locations have been cross-braced and blocked, proceed with installation of your preferred Trex decking material. With decking installed, you can now continue with post installation at your desired locations. For a corner post installation, please ensure that you're at least 1 inch in from both inside frame edges. In this case, we have 3/4 inch of decking board overhang, 5/8 inch of fascia, 1 1/2 inches of 2x framing material, plus 1 inch in from inside frame edges. Using your post as a template, mark locations of holes. Set your post aside and drill through decking and blocking boards using a 9/16" diameter bit. To help maintain a 90-degree angle when drilling through deck boards and blocking, use your speed square as a guide. Attach each post using 4 1/2-inch x 6-inch hex cap bolts, washers, and nuts. Always ensure to consult local code official for more information on IRC or IBC compliance. Using your level, check plumb of post as you're tightening the hex bolts. Check multiple sides of post for the most accurate leveling. To complete your project, install post cap and skirt after railing panels. For more videos on how to install Trex products, visit trex.com/academy. Thanks for watching.